To begin your journey through Japan, I recommend starting in Tokyo. Tokyo is Japan's capital and the gateway for most international visitors, with two major international airports. The city's transportation system is one of the best in the world. A great way to understand Tokyo is by following the JR Yamanote line, which connects major areas such as Tokyo, Shinjuku, Ueno, and Shibuya. Each area has its own unique character. Visit Shinjuku to experience Tokyo's towering buildings, shopping, and exciting nightlife. Then head to Shibuya and watch the famous Scramble Crossing, where hundreds of people cross the street at the same time. It's one of the best places to feel the energy of modern Tokyo. Next, discover the city's historic side in Asakusa. Visit Sensoji Temple and walk along the traditional shopping street, where you can still experience the atmosphere of old Edo. Just a short distance away stands Tokyo Skytree, where modern architecture rises beside historic streets. Experiencing both old and new in one city is what makes Tokyo so special, and why it's the perfect place to begin your first trip to Japan. After experiencing Tokyo, take Japan's famous high-speed train, the Shinkansen, to Kyoto. The journey from Tokyo Station takes about 2.5 hours. On a clear day, you may be able to see beautiful Mount Fuji from the right side of the train, so keep that in mind when reserving your seat. Kyoto was Japan's capital for more than 1,000 years. Because of its long history, the city is filled with beautiful temples, shrines, traditional wooden buildings, gardens, and historic streets. I recommend starting from Kyoto Station and visiting Gion and Higashiyama. Here, you'll find traditional streets, old shops, and, if you're lucky, you may even see a Maiko or Geiko. It's one of the best places to experience the atmosphere of old Kyoto. Don't miss Kiyomizu-dera Temple, Fushimi Inari Shrine, with its thousands of red torii gates, and Kinkakuji, the famous Golden Pavilion. In Kyoto, history and tradition are not simply preserved. They are still part of everyday life. That's why I recommend Kyoto for your first trip to Japan. After Kyoto, take a train to Osaka. The journey from Kyoto Station to Osaka Station takes only about 30 minutes. Although the two cities are close, they have very different personalities. While Kyoto grew as Japan's historic capital, Osaka developed as one of the country's most important centers of trade. This created a lively culture of merchants, great food, and friendly people. To understand Osaka, remember its two main centers, Umeda in the north and Namba in the south. Umeda is the city's modern business and shopping district, while Namba is the heart of Osaka's famous local culture. In Dotonbori, you'll find bright neon lights, giant signs, and countless restaurants serving local favorites like takoyaki and okonomiyaki. Further south is Shinsekai, where Tsutenkaku Tower stands above traditional restaurants and shops. Tokyo shows you modern Japan. Kyoto preserves Japan's history and traditions. Osaka lets you experience its warm people and food culture. Together, these three cities offer the perfect first journey through Japan. Today's Japanese phrase is 駅はどこですか? It means where is the station. The keywords are どこ, which means where, and 駅, which means station. Okay, let's practice. Repeat after me. 駅はどこですか? 駅はどこですか？ Great! Hello everyone, I'm Hideki. If there is about Japan you'd like to know, please leave a comment. Your idea may appear in a future episode. Okay, see you next time. Bye!